Hey there, everybody, and thank you for watching here on KXAN Live News Notes. I'm Will DuPree.
And I'm Amanda Dugan. We're going to catch you up on the big stories of the day in less than 5 minutes. Let's get to it.
Yeah, first up, we're talking about the rising number of coronavirus cases still putting pressure on our hospitals.
That's why the Austin Convention Center will turn into a field hospital on Tuesday. But before that, Austin Public Health says it needs state help to staff the operation.
Austin and Travis County are using staffing agencies to help hire healthcare workers. The field hospital will be able to care for up to 1,500 low-risk patients if needed.
They will increase capacity for the field hospital in 100-bed increments.
We want to make sure that we're good neighbors, that the hospitals have adequate staff, that we are not taking resources from them to staff the alternate care sites, but it is a challenge.
Austin Public Health says its main priority is to not take away from local hospital resources.
Let's catch you up now on the latest coronavirus numbers. Take a look here. COVID-19 has now killed more than 3,400 people in Texas.
294 of those are in our area. There are close to 130,000 active cases statewide right now.
And right here in Central Texas, there are roughly 9,000 of them.
Keep in mind, you can always track the latest numbers when it comes to COVID-19 on KXAN.com.
A lot of parents out there are wondering what the new school year is going to look like. That's a big concern at this point. So today, the Texas Education Agency is expected to release more information on its fall learning plan.
Hopefully this will help clear up any confusion. So it comes after it announced school districts will be able to move classes completely online in the fall, but only if local health leaders order schools to close.
The TEA says if schools close, they will still get funding from the state if they offer remote instruction for all students.
But if county health leaders do not recommend schools close, the districts will be required to open campus after the first 3 weeks of the fall semester.
Here in Travis County, health leaders have already ordered schools to close their campuses until early September. The city of Austin may be the new test site for a COVID-19 vaccine. That's new reporting we revealed yesterday here at KXAN.
Yeah, Benchmark Research is launching clinical trials this month. And here's the thing, it's looking for people who want to be part of it.
Yeah, Benchmark Research is now in phase 3 of clinical research trials, which means by the end of this month, they will start enrolling people for larger trials here in the city.
The company says phase 3, it's focused on how average people will react to the vaccine. The entire research study will test 30,000 people across the United States for 2 years.
Enrollment for the Benchmark Research should begin the last week of July. You'll be paid if you are chosen. Research trials pay up to $1,500.
And if this speaks to you and you're interested in being a part of this study, we have all that info at KXAN.com. You can see that story up on your screen now.
We always want to end with something of a lighter note, and people got a really cool sight up in the night sky.
Yeah, we've known that the Neowise Comet was heading over central Texas pretty much this whole month, and it's going to be getting the closest to us on July 23rd, so in about a week or so. But check this out. Mr. Sean Baber, he sent us a report. He was actually able to catch the comet last night. I will say he says that he has some really amazing cameras and equipment to be able to see this, but what a sight to see. Pretty cool.
Such a beautiful picture. I wish I could see that.
I know. And the thing is, it's about 64 million miles away. Like that's incredible that he was able to pick up on something like that. Pretty cool.
All right, everybody. Thanks so much for watching here on KXAN Live News Notes. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I'm Will DuPree.
And I'm Amanda Dugan.